Using the Natwest card reader to make a payment is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to Natwest Online Banking. So access the Natwest Online Banking platform using your username and password. Navigate to the section where you can initiate payments. This might be labeled as Make a Payment, Transfer Funds, or a similar option. Next, provide the necessary details for the payment, including the recipient's information and the amount. When prompted for additional security, choose the option to use your card reader. Then insert your Natwest debit or credit card into the card reader. Next, the card reader may display instructions on its screen. Follow the on-screen prompts. After that, enter your PIN when prompted on the card reader. The card reader will generate a unique transaction code. This code is typically time-sensitive and must be used within a certain time frame. Input the code generated by the card reader into the corresponding field on the Natwest Online Banking platform.